Hello Peter, I'm presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful ZX1000R, the Ninja. This has 26,155 kilometers and we're selling for $98.88 plus only HST and license. This motorcycle is fully safety certified by the book. We put a brand new front tire and rear tires. And also comes with a nice beautiful pipe, Yoshimura pipe, full system there. Bike is very clean, ready to they put a eliminator kit under the tail, so it looks very clean. Tank protector, either for the knee on the side of the tank. As you can see, the motorcycle is very clean. Our price is very reasonable for the product when you receive it. Please give me a call if you're interested for this motorcycle. My phone number is 905-660-2901 extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Once again, my name is Eduardo Alvarez. Thank you.